In this video, I'm going to show you how you can edit a Wix website even after you've already published it. A lot of people think that once a site goes live, everything is locked in place. But that's not true at all. Wix actually makes it super easy to go back in, adjust things, update pages, or even redesign entire sections whenever you want. To get started, sign into your Wix account. Once you're logged in, look toward the top left corner and click on My Sites. This will bring you to a dashboard where all of your websites are displayed. If you have multiple sites, take a moment to find the one you want to update. When you found it, click on it, and you should see the option Edit. Go ahead and click that. Sometimes Wix may show you a panel with more actions. If that happens, simply click Edit. Either option will send you into the Wix editor. Now the editor will start loading. Depending on how your site was created, Wix may take you into the classic editor or the advanced editor, Editor X. In either case, the process is the same. Just give it a moment to load. Once everything appears, you'll be inside the full website editor. From here, you can edit anything you want. You can change text, move elements around, replace images, add new sections, update your menu, adjust your mobile layout, pretty much anything you need to revise on your website. Wix gives you complete control just like the first time you built it. As you're working, make sure you click Save in the top left corner so none of your changes get lost. Saving keeps your work stored inside the editor but doesn't update the live version just yet. When you're completely satisfied with your edits, click Publish. This will push all your changes to the live website so visitors can see the updated version right away. And that's really all there is to it. Editing your Wix website after publishing is simple, flexible, and something you can do as often as you need. Whether it's small text fixes, new photos, or full layout changes. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like. It really supports the channel. And if you want more easy website tutorials, feel free to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I hope you have an awesome day. Happy Wix using.